Yat Ebeno Miktakyape. Long time no see. Those of you that are new, welcome. This is our home. Welcome. You guys are more than welcome to explore. Don't judge us too much though, or otherwise you're getting the boot. But those of you that are returnees, welcome again. I know it's been a long time since we dropped the vlogs, but here we are. Long story short, Lakota Bay is going to California today. She's leaving us in about T-minus 30 minutes. She's getting to the airport here in a bit. We're gonna stay here, me and the Twindians.
Yay! Daddy.
I know, don't judge. I know there's always that one person that always watches. Why are they always without clothes? Just enjoy this vlog, all right? Just enjoy. So other than that, y'all, I'm gonna take y'all along. My journey as being a dad of twins.
Mommy.
Hopefully they cooperate for the next couple of days. Lakota Bay is gonna be gone for a couple of days, most likely for a week. So pray for thy father. Let's do this, guys. Hit that like button.
So I just started a job. I work at the photo editor, and I already have a work trip. My first day started yesterday, and today I'm going on a work trip. So I can tell this job's gonna be a lot of traveling. It's gonna be kind of hard leaving the boys. I feel so sad, but it's gonna be nice because I'll be in California away from all the snow. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yay!
The boys are already waiting for their mom to leave. Once she leaves, it's boys day and boys night out every day, all day. I'm just kidding. But yeah. Right now is all we're dealing with. Why do I got this up here? Because I want to give them some space. They love their space, alright? I know there's always somebody that's gonna judge. I know somebody's always gonna judge. How come your robe is here? Well, let's just say last night we filmed our OnlyFans, and cause yeah, it's gonna be a while for me and Lakota Bay see each other. Oh, Creator, bless thy father and bless thy mother. We're gonna have a good time, hey. Nana, 100,000, 4,000 times. Oh yeah, quick life update on the Twindians.
That's it.
Oh yeah, cool. Life's update on the Twindians. They've accomplished how to potty train now, so they are both fully qualified. So we are ready for school. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen.
Daddy.
Alright, it looks like Mama's on her way to California now. Her ride just showed up. She got her bags packed.
I'll bring you back a toy, okay?
Bring me one back too. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Yeah, she's got all her camera back. Is that all your camera stuff?
Yeah.
Alright.
Mommy.
What'd you do?
She's going away for business, y'all.
Oh, that's okay. I don't need it. Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you guys. Bye, boys. I'm just kidding. I'm staying.
Dolly's gonna be here tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see you
Love
guys.
you, honey.
I'm gonna stay. Bye, babe. Safe travel. So their mom just left, and I'm officially a stay-at-home dad. So let the fun begin, y'all. Let it begin. Over here. Over here, let's go put on this shirt. This one. Your socks. No. You sit over here. Okay, over here, look, let's go put on your pants. Okay, look. Come on. Yeah. Let's go put on. You're okay, look. We're gonna go put on our clothes. You guys wanna go outside? The gods have forsaken thy cause. There it is. Alright, come on, over here. Come here, Tony. Alright, let's go downstairs and go put on your shoes. shoes. Yeah, come on. What, baby? Oh, cool. Look at your shirt. Lightning McQueen. Cool. You goofballs. Come on, let's go downstairs. Come on. I had to put on my pants too. Because if y'all know, I was wearing sweats earlier. So I'm gonna go outside and we're gonna do some outdoor activities. Have the boys shovel up some snow. Burn out their energy. Because they were inside for past 2-3 days. It snowed on us for 3 days. Let's go then. All right, coming down. Let's see, oh, did you crush your fingers? So let me kiss it. Let me kiss. God, you boys are naughty. Where's their clothes at? Oh, these ones are here. Oh crap. Snow gear. Come on, let's go. All right, let me see. Here you go. Yeah. First now, hold my hand and then stand up. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, okay. Ready? You gonna go take out your toy? Oh yeah, look at that. Jump. Let me see you jump. Good job. All right, Tony, your turn. Come on, baby. It's really nice out today. The snow's gonna be melting pretty much just by the warmth of the sun today. Is gonna be a good day. And I'm gonna enjoy my cup of coffee. Damn, my dog already ran away. I just noticed it. Been out here for about 30 minutes now. Boys are still playing in the snow. They've also gotten to the mud right here, but it's all right. I'd rather have them out here than inside because we've been inside for about 3 days now because we got not cabin fever. We did get a cabin fever, but it snowed a lot. The spirits decided to dump some unwanted snow onto us. So we ended up under snow for 3 days. So now that the sun's out, obviously the guns ain't out yet, but boys are enjoying it. We're getting our vitamin D. I flew the drone, did find Jax, so Jax is safe. He's right over there. He's coming over now. So I put him back on the leash, and yeah, it's a good day, man. Probably gonna go shovel some snow here in a bit, and Lakota Bay's probably on her plane right now to LA, California. So she's out there to go to make things happen. Probably the next movie star. She's probably going to be the next Lily Gladstone. So be on the lookout. It's her rise to fame right now. Hopefully she don't forget about us. I'm just kidding. I mean, I didn't mean to shovel all that, but I was bored and Come here, let me go fix your gloves. And I needed something to do, so that was my workout of the day. Come here. Snow, keep getting your gloves. Go, come here. Alright. Let's go do it together, okay? Asa.
Donkey.
Oh.
Donkey.
Not kid. Oh, Tani, stay. Watch.
Tom.
Ka. Say it, Tani. Ka.
He got it.
Look.
D.
Dee. Ashla. Say it.
Hasta.
Hasta. 6.
Toast.
Toast it. Yes. Almost there.
Baby.
Tebi. Right here.
Nahaste.
Nahast. Good job. One more.
Nezna.
Nah. Yeah, good job. I also made this for you guys. Okay? Bless you. This is a Navajo. Yeah, how much is there? How much? How many? Asa. One ring. Asa. Okay? Tani, look. Up here. Asa. 1 ring. How much is this one? The Quila? How much rings do you see? Na o na ki. 2 na ki. Na ki. 2 rings.
Daddy.
O na ki. Then say it. Say na ki.
Okay.
Oh. Ado didi. How much do you see right here?
2 rings.
3. Tra. Tra is 3. Yeah, there you go. Say tra.
Daddy.
Say.
Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, take down these 3. These like that. You guys see right here?
Dreamy.
4. Dee. Dee. Say dee. Are you guys ready? Number 1. Asla.
Talking.
Say it, Natani. Asla.
Naki.
Na ki. Oh, nisha. Dinne.
Ta.
Ka. You boys, listen. Hey, sit up. Deep ne. Get up. Deep ne. Deep ne. Dee. Say dee. Oh. Ergisha.
Ashla.
Ashtla. Yes, it's 5. Hasta. 6. So I'm trying to teach the boys a Navajo language, numbers and basic words, especially things. So they say at this age their mind is like very observant and they absorb everything pretty easy. So I'm trying my best to instill into them. So far they know what it is. You guys just saw a little preview of what I deal with. You have to be patient with them. You don't force them to. Just repetition every day. Just do repetitions every day and they will learn. They'll understand it. They're gonna get it through their little heads. So yeah, so what I did was I put little sonics rings there because they're all about sonics. So this is Atla, which is 1. Obviously I'm not gonna go through it all real quick, but yeah, so they love these sonics. So I try to find some that they love, and it'll catch their attention, and then they'll learn like that. So yeah, I don't know. It's a little to be continued. Let's go do this. Let's see right here. What is this one? Chidanat
Plane.
Oh, airplane. Go. Bunny rabbit. Go. Chidiyaje. Oh, chidiyaje. Say it. Say chidiyaje. Oh, say go. Oh, chide not Say no. Say chide not Oh, the irrigation. Tatanka. This is a little buffalo. Tatanka. Tani, show me what tatanka looks like. Good job. Tatanka, like this. Tatanka. Let me see again. Tatanka. How about you, Nani? Show. Let me see. Tatanka. No, Tatanka. What does Tatanka do? It's a work in progress. They're learning. They gotta visualize it and they understand the words. Chidiyaje. Oh, it broke. Yadilla. Chidanat. If y'all are struggling to teach your kids, don't worry. It will seem like they're not listening, but like I said, a repetition. Try to get them to try to get their attention as best as you can. Don't get frustrated. Don't yell at them. Don't be like, hey, you know, even though they're playing, they can hear you. So I usually say it every day. And yeah, eventually it will get into their little brain and they'll understand what it is. And so I just repeat things they say. I show them. And then after a while, I won't show them, but I'll say it. I'll say chidinata, and they'll like look in the air or they'll grab their airplane. So it's pretty cool. I think y'all should try it out. I'm experimenting. This is my first time trying to teach little kids. So you're welcome. Also just got word from Lakota Bay. She just landed at 1 o'clock in Denver. So she's halfway there, and yeah, not a whole lot happening. Kids are wrestling and they will be tired soon.